Rachel, what are we doing today on art lessons?
Navaris, today we're practicing painting cat ears.
You have to practice painting cat ears?
Of course I do. How do you think I got so good at painting cat ears?
Oh, that makes sense. I have to practice my craft constantly.
Yeah, you're an artist. You got to practice your craft.
You're right.
What do you do to practice yours?
As an actor, I just feel my emotions constantly. It's exhausting.
Now that you mention it, I felt that one.
Rachel, is that a 45-degree angle?
Oh, it's a 45-degree angle.
That is a sexy 45-degree
yeah.
angle.
Tell you what, when I was younger, it was 53 degrees, but now that I am grown, whoo.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. I gotta take a shower.
And it got weird. Thank you for watching Art Lessons. Enjoy your shower. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked what you saw,
Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe.